Good afternoon. Myself, I'm Dr.M. Shivram Kumar, innovator from DTCFC. In this video, we'll be seeing on design thinking based AI interview process tool, AI tool, which will be explained my third year cohort students. Before into getting into the video, I just want them to give a short intro on them.
Hello everyone, I am Tarunya Shri from SNSCT. I'm Praniti from SNSCT. I'm Swashna from SNSCT.
And I'm Alana Sebastian from SNCT.
I'm Harini from SNSCT.
Okay, so now let's see the actual problem that the students are facing in the interview process. Okay, so what we thought about is that how can a student improve themselves while they're attending the interviews? So we came up with an idea of an AI interview coach because the most of the problems that the students are facing is that the flexibility of time is a major problem, and also the one-on-one coaching, a personalized one-on-one coaching is very expensive for a student to prepare for an interview. So how can we help a student for that? Because we ourselves, we are students, so we need some sort of solution that can actually help the students for preparing for the interview. So when we empathized with them, we realized that there are so many problems the students are facing. Example, the cost issues, the flexible timing issues, and also the fear and the confidence, the less confidence issues and everything. So what if an AI can actually help the students to build up their own confidence and also have a flexible timing and be a cost effective option? So this was the empathy that we got from the students when we asked about this problem. So yeah.
So when we try to define the problem, the major thing the student faces is the cost issue for a personalized interview-based training. When someone seeks for a training for an interview, they don't get any personalized questions like how each company HR would ask for different job roles. And if it happens so, then it's very too much costlier. So when a normal person or a student tries to offer that, it becomes a problem right there. So when we use AI for that, it gives personalized questions for each student based on what they search and how their mindset is. When we converse with the AI knows in what standards we are. So it can give questions based on that. The majority points here are giving a personalized course to the student under a certain amount so that it's affordable for the student. So when we come to the Ideate part, as developers, we put many solutions. Like each one of us have many solutions, and by shorting each and everything, we come to a solution that we can give them a role-based training. If you want to become a full stack developer, related to that, the training will be take place. And also, depend on the roles, we have split out the fees. And training is something which is important, and also the resume plays a very big role in placements. So we guys have decided that we why can't we have a resume screening process in that also, and it will also like guide like the way how we want to build a resume, and all those stuffs. And we plan to have a live session also, like interactive with, it is not a human but AI live session, like it will be like interactive one, and the progress which also shared to the mentors. So if staff have 25 students, the 25 students can be mentored by one staff, and the result of all those students will be in the dashboard, and there will be a leaderboard also.
So basically, our prototype is both web application and a mobile application for the feasibility because most of the time they can't use monitor or laptop, so they can also use their mobile phone while using it. And basically, the user first uploads their resume and what are the stuff they already know and confidence that they know what about it. Then, after uploading the resume in the prototype, it will ask the role what they wanna prepare for. For example, software engineer or HR. Based on the role base, it will give prepare the curriculum for them so they can prepare for the interview. And also here, what plays the main role is that the camera and the microphones. Basically, it will analyze the person while they were explaining a question or solving a problem, how speed they are talking and how confident they were and their speech consistency how it is, like the filler words that they may use like so those kind of steps.
Okay, so
And yeah, just
the final stage is testing. In this, the testing is major role of the testing is to test whether the application is used for the user. So in this, I'm a final year going student, so I have tested by using this platform for getting what are the processes are undergoing in the interview. So this is useful for me. So while uploading my resume, I can come to know whether it is processing for me or not, and also I can able to find whether the step by step process in interview, how can I
Tracking
uh,
system.
yes. So while I'm testing, I can't able to find any bugs or error in this application.
Okay, so by summarizing what all of us said was, two things is the major key point here. So one is a person needs to have a personalized training based on what they are and what is in their resume. And other one is the person need not pay a huge sum to someone just for this course. So this AI coach helps a student or a professional prepare for what they need to become, and this would help them a lot in whatever they are trying to be.
And also, this is very much different from ChatGPT. So you might ask, why can't I upload my resume into the ChatGPT and understand what happens? Like I can have one-on-one session with ChatGPT also.
Yes.
But this can actually stay a little bit, it can stand on the upper hand side, because the amount of technologies that are being put into this particular coach is something different from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is all about the texting process, and even the mic and all the audio processes that are in ChatGPT is pretty much, it doesn't analyze properly, or it doesn't speak properly. You can change the voice and everything, but it doesn't speak properly. So what if we can actually train this stuff in that manner? It might take some time, but by understanding the proper technologies and stuff, you can actually make this into a business perspective also. So as they told about the role based stuff and the fees paying according to it, we can actually put it into a business based stuff as well. So after researching and everything, we realized that there are not so much of actual stuff that exists like this. So understanding the student's problem and thinking in a business perspective, this might actually help being a good product. So
Oh, fine. So I hope whatever you suggested, if it is an app, really it will be helpful. So my wishes to you soon to develop an app as you mentioned. So thank you. If you have any queries, you all can put it in the chat box. Thank you all.